Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're on the hunt for a lip color that stays put all day, glides on effortlessly, and still looks flawless from morning to night, then this may just be the product you need to add to your beauty bag. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon Matte Longwear Lipstick in the shade 130 Pave the Road. Let's dive in and see if this promises the long-lasting, no-fuss color it claims. First off, Maybelline promises up to 8 hours of matte lip color that glides on crayon easy. So how does this perform in real life? Well, let's break it down. The Super Stay Ink Crayon has a unique built-in sharpener, making it ideal for quick, precise application, especially if you're on the go. The formula is designed to be smudge-proof and transfer-resistant, meaning you won't have to worry about that perfect pout disappearing after your coffee break or a midday snack. You know how frustrating it is when your lipstick ends up all over your cup or gets uneven after a couple of hours? Not with this product. The color payoff is intense and it glides on without tugging. It's that effortless type of product that doesn't require any special prep or skills to use. Just draw it on and you're good to go. I love that it doesn't feel heavy either. Some matte lipsticks can leave your lips feeling dry, but this one maintains a comfortable wear throughout the day. Now let's talk about how it actually feels. The formula isn't creamy or waxy, it's more on the dry side, but in a way that makes the lipstick adhere really well to the lips. Once it sets, you can feel that it's there, but it's not uncomfortable or drying like some other Longwear formulas. The shade Pave the Road is a gorgeous nude that works beautifully for both everyday wear and more elevated looks. It's not too pale, not too dark, just a perfect balance that can easily transition from office to evening. It's the kind of shade you can rely on, knowing it will complement any outfit or occasion. But no product is without its downsides. The one thing I noticed was that while it's transfer resistant, it can sometimes leave a bit of a ring around the lips as it fades. This is pretty common with matte formulas, especially the Longwear ones, but it's something to keep in mind if you're aiming for a perfectly smooth finish all day long. Also, the sharpener is handy, but I did find that it doesn't always sharpen the crayon as precisely as I'd like, leaving the tip a little too blunt for my taste. When it comes to value for money, this lipstick comes in a pack of 2, making it more cost-effective. For the price, I'd say it delivers on its promises. It's affordable, lasts well, and you get 2 colors in the package. It's definitely a product that feels like you're getting your money's worth. In terms of comparisons, there are a few other drugstore Longwear lipsticks out there, but what I appreciate about this one is the ease of application and the built-in sharpener. That's something that makes this stand out in the market, especially when it's so easy to touch up on the go without worrying about the application becoming uneven. Now, build quality. The packaging feels sturdy, and I'm happy with the overall design. The crayon is compact, making it easy to toss into a small purse without taking up too much space. It's also travel-friendly, which I can appreciate. No leaks, no mess. I haven't had any reason to contact customer support regarding this product, but Maybelline has a strong reputation for handling customer inquiries and concerns, so I'd expect a decent level of service if needed. If you're on the hunt for alternatives, there are a few options out there, but none that offer the same combination of affordability, ease of use, and performance. Other brands like Revlon and L'Oreal offer similar matte crayon lipsticks, but this Maybelline one really nails the Longwear aspect, which is a huge plus if you have a busy lifestyle. To sum it up, this Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon Matte Longwear Lipstick really delivers on its promise of all-day color. It's comfortable, easy to apply, and offers long-lasting results that won't fade or smudge throughout the day. Pave the Road is a versatile shade that works for just about any occasion. And it's a product that I definitely recommend to anyone who's looking for a reliable, matte lipstick with staying power. If this review helped you make a decision, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more honest beauty reviews like this one. And if you've tried this lipstick already, let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.